Hey everyone, Lexi here, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I've got something really exciting in store for you. Today, I'm going to show you how I make my Puerto Rican sofrito. These are all the ingredients you are going to need. 2 onions, 3 bell peppers, 2 bunches of cilantro, 1 jalapeno, 2 tablespoons of green onions, a lot of garlic, half a tablespoon of paprika, half a tablespoon of salt, half a tablespoon of turmeric, and half a tablespoon of chicken bouillon. Now I'm going to go ahead and chop the bell peppers and onions, and you want them on big chunks because this is going to be added to the food processor. You also want to chop your jalapeno. I'm using 1, but if you would like your sofrito to be more spicy, you can add 2 to 3 jalapenos to yours. Once all of your ingredients are chopped and ready to go, we're going to go ahead and add them to the food processor. We're going to start by adding the onions to the food processor. And then we're going to go ahead and blend. Then we're going to go ahead and add the bell peppers. Okay, so now we're gonna go ahead and add cilantro. I use 2 bunches of cilantro, but if you don't like cilantro a lot, you can just use 1 bunch, or you can substitute it for any other herb that you would like to add. You can use oregano, culantro, whichever you prefer. We're gonna go ahead and add the rest of the ingredients. We're gonna go ahead and add the garlic. I use a lot of garlic because I love my food to be garlicky. You can, again, leave it out or put less if you don't like a lot of garlic. Go ahead and add the jalapeno, the green onions, the chicken bouillon, paprika, turmeric, salt. You can add whatever spices you like or none at all. A lot of people like it without any seasoning, so it's more balanced and that way they can just season their food. Once all of the ingredients are blended together, we're going to go ahead and add them to a mason jar and put it in the fridge. Remember that sofrito can last 2 weeks in the fridge and up to 6 months in the freezer. Whatever you are not going to use, make sure that you put it on a freezer Ziploc bag and store it in your freezer. That way you always have sofrito whenever you need it. Alright guys, and that is how I make my Puerto Rican sofrito. And don't forget to hit the follow button for more recipes. Remember that we are here to learn together. If there is any other recipes you would like for me to try, leave a comment below and I'll see you guys in the next video.